Okay, so I've been walking, just a little bit, and I found this tiny little oasis a while back, and I really like it here. Just trying to find a smaller spot to go kayaking today. It's beautiful. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, Remote-Backroad-Jungles, with a dash in between each word, and my link is www.youtube.com/@hiddenoasis-secret pathfinder. And here we are. Look at that. And it's got another island. This is my cup of tea. Okay, so you can see over here the island. Isn't that beautiful? There's a little bit there, but look at the houses. Oh man, this is gorgeous. Okay. See the island? I want to make it out there in one piece on my kayak. It's a beautiful day out today. So I'm going to do like a 360. So there's some, see the little path that leads out to the kind of 360 over here, and isn't that a beauty? Look at that. So if I move back a little bit, see the grass. Almost reminds me of like a little Andy Griffith pond. And I'm going back here. So if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, Remote-Backroad-Jungles, with a dash in between each word. Like my videos. And I promise to bring you some really cool little spots like this. More little spots like this. See? Somebody in the distance? More little spots like this soon. Today's a good day. I'm having a very good day. Not many people have found this little spot that I've found. But across the way, there's a little camp. Anyway, I'll see you guys next time. Talk to you later.